Good day, babies! Welcome back to Baby Math Notes. You might try to learn mathematics with the aid of this channel. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated for our new notes. Okay, so today we are going to discuss partial fractions, specifically case 1. So, let us start. Ang case 1 natin is when the factors of the denominator are all linear and distinct or non-repeating. So, these are the things that you need to consider in solving case 1. When we say proper fraction, it is a rational fraction. So, meron tayong numerator, denominator. Pag sinabi nating proper fraction, yung degree ng numerator niya less than sa degree ng denominator natin. So, proper fraction siya. Okay? Next, this is the process of finding partial fraction. But take note, this is for case 1, okay? If the denominator is a linear factor and is non-repeating, its partial fraction will be of the form a over ax plus b, where a is a constant whose value is to be determined. So, mamaya, ipapakita natin yan. Kapag, ang sabi dito, proper fraction dapat, pag sinabi nating proper fraction, ang degree ng numerator ay mas mababa sa degree ng denominator. And then, yung process in finding partial fraction, kapag linear factor yung nasa denominator natin, yun ay case 1. Ayan. So, let us have an example. Perform the partial decomposition of 7x minus 25 all over x squared minus 7x plus 12. So, una, sabi kanina, we need to consider the fraction. Kailangan proper fraction siya. So, in this case, tama, mas mababa ang degree ng numerator natin kaysa sa degree ng denominator natin. So, ang degree nito is 1, ang degree nito ay 2. Okay, so this is a proper fraction. And here are the solutions. Step number 1, we are going to simplify the expression first. Kasi kung mapapansin mo, quadratic ito. Eh, ang sabi dun sa process in finding the partial fraction of case 1, kailangan linear factors yung nasa denominator natin. So, we need to get the factors of the denominator. At ito na yun. Okay? I believe marunong na kayong kumuha ng factors. Lalo na kung quadratic naman yan. Okay. Step number 2, the form of the partial decomposition is, kapag okay na tayo, linear factors na yung nasa denominator natin, pwede na natin yang paghiwalayin. Okay? So, dito, si a natin yung unang factor, which is x minus 3, plus b over x minus 4. Pero take note, pwede yung magkabaliktaran, ha? Pwede po yung magkabaliktaran, okay? Basta kung ano yung value ng a natin, ang nasa denominator niya, x minus 3. Okay? Yung kung ano yung denominator ng b natin, dapat hindi yun mabago. Okay? Then step number 3, multiplying both sides by the least common multiple. And what is the least common multiple? Ayan, x minus 3 times x minus 4. Imumultiply natin yan both sides. Ayan siya. So kapag minultiply natin yan dito, di ba ito, 7x minus 25 na lang ang matitira. Tama? And then, ito, cancel na to. So, a na lang, ang matitira dun ay x minus 4. Kasi cancel na yung x minus 3 natin. Si a, ita-times natin sa x minus 4. Plus, b. May x minus 4 ka dito, may x minus 4 ka dito. Cancel yan. Ang matitira ay b times x minus 3. Okay? Step number 4, expand the right-hand side. So, ito yung left-hand side natin, ito yung right-hand side natin. So, we are going to expand this. So, here, i-distribute mo lang siya, distributive property. So, ax minus 4a plus bx minus 3b. Ayan, ito na siya. Then, then, step number 5, collect up the like terms. Ayan, igrupo mo. Ito, kung mapapansin mo, pareho siyang merong variable x. So, yun yung magkagrupo. Ayan, si A at saka si B. Ang common sa kanila ay yung x. And then, yung isa naman, negative 4a minus 3b. Next, step number 6. Comparing the coefficients of like powers of x on both sides. Paano ba tayo magko-compare? Itong nasa left side natin, meron tayong 7x minus 25. Itong nasa right side natin, kung mapapansin mo, yung may variable x, ito yun, si a plus b yun. So, ipagtatapat mo lang siya. Ano ba yung numerical coefficient ng x dito sa left side natin? Di ba 7 siya? So, makakabuo na tayo ng equation. Ito, yung x natin dito, 7 ang numerical coefficient. Dito naman sa right side natin, ang numerical coefficient niya ay a plus b. And then, gawin natin, kapareho lang din. Ayan, this will be our equation 1. And then, negative 25. So, alin ba dito yung walang variable x? So, ito na yan, si negative 4a minus 3b. And this is our equation number 2. Next, step number 7. Since meron na tayong equation 1 and equation 2, our step 7 is to solve the equations. Iisip tayo, paano ba natin yan masosolve? Alin ba yung gusto mong pagtripan? Si A ba o si B? Alin ba yung gusto mong matanggal na una? So, it's up to you. Okay? So, in this case, itry natin yung equation 1, i-multiply natin sa 3. Para magkapareho ng numerical coefficient yung B natin. Kasi hindi mo yung pwedeng masolve kung magkaiba sila ng numerical coefficient. Si A natin dito sa equation 1, 1 lang yung numerical coefficient niya. Sa equation 2, negative 4. Magkaiba sila. Yung B naman natin, 1 yung numerical coefficient niya. Ito namang sa equation 2 natin, negative 3. So, magkaiba rin. So, gagawa tayo ng paraan para maging magkapareho sila. So, in this case, ang pagtitiripan natin ay si B. So, kailangan itong B na ito, dapat 3 din yung numerical coefficient niya. Kaya mumultiplyan natin itong buong equation na yan ng 3. Okay. So, let us multiply equation 1 by 3. So, that is 21 is equal to 3a plus 3b. And that is our equation 1 prime. Naglagay ako ng prime dito para ma-indicate na yun yung inedit na natin. Yung equation 1, edited na siya. Ito yung lumabas. Okay? Kasi nag-times 3 tayo. Alam nyo guys, mahalaga na marunong tayong mag-label. Okay? So, step number 8. But before that, we are going to use the elimination method since pareho na yung value ng numerical coefficient ng equation 1 na edited, tapos yung equation 2 natin, pwede nating applyan ng elimination method. Ayan. Take note, this is the new equation 1, and this one is the original equation 2, yung kanina. Ayan. So, paano ba natin yan mai-eliminate? O pansin nyo, pareho na ito ng number. So, obviously, iisipin mo, pag inad ko ba ito, makakancel yan? Or we need to use the operation subtraction. O we need to subtract. Ano ba? Paano ba natin yan makakancel? Iisipin mo kung paano itong makakancel. Well, in this case, we need to add. But take note, hindi lang ito ang i-add natin ha. Yang lahat na yan. Okay? So, simulan natin. 21 plus negative 25. And then 3a plus negative 4a, etc. So, that is negative 4 is equal to negative a. Ito wala na yan. Cancel na siya. Okay? So, therefore, our a is 4 since, tingnan nyo mabuti, when we multiply it by negative, the answer is positive 4. So, a is equal to 4. So, nakuha na natin si a. Our goal is to get the value of b. So, saan ba natin siya isa-substitute? Pili ka. Equation 1, equation 1 na edited, or equation 2. So now, to solve for the value of b, let us substitute the value of a to 7 is equal to a plus b. Our original equation 1. Huwag mong pahirapan ang sarili mo. Kung may mas madali naman na equation para lagyan o para substitutean ng values. So, since a is equal to 4, o ilagay natin, 7 is equal to 4 plus b. And that will become, so let us substitute ito pag tinranspose mo sa left side. So, 7 minus 4 is equal to b. Therefore, our b is positive 3. So, meron na tayo. Nakuha na natin si A, nakuha na natin si B. Our step 8 is to write, writing in partial fractions. So, from step 2, the form of partial decomposition is ganito, kapag case 1. Ayan. So, linear factors ang nasa denominator natin. Now, since nakuha na natin yung A and B, yung values nila, isa-substitute lang natin yan. So, the answer is, 4 over x minus 3 plus 3 over x minus 4. But take note, the right-hand side of the equation is the identity equation of the left-hand side. Pag chinek mo yan, pag sinolve mo ito yung nakuha natin. Itong right-hand side natin, pag sinolve naman natin ito, dapat ito yung makuha natin. Okay? Great job, babies! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated for our new notes. See you on our next Baby Month notes.